Hello everyone, today I will discuss on some important tricks, short tricks on definite integral. My one and only one request to watch the video till the end. Let us start. Suppose we are given this type of integrals, definite integrals, 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx, 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4 x dx, 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6 x dx. How will you solve it promptly? Without putting much labor and time, you have to give answer. Quick response. We need quick response. We have to save time. Now, what is the tricks to solve this type of questions? If power be even, then write it. Suppose we are solving question number 3. Now, this is 6. Right here 6. Then decrease, go on decreasing by 2 unit. 4 into 2. Now stop here. If we further decrease by 2 unit, this will be 0. Anything by 0 undefined. So stop here. Now at numerator you write 6 minus 1, 5. Start by 5. Then go on decreasing by 2 unit. 5 into 3 into 1. If this be even, then you will get at the end half. 1 by 2 means half. Now this is even one. So at the end multiply by pi by 2. So our answer will be 4 to 8, 32 equal to 5 pi by 32. This is our answer. Try second one. This is 4. Write 4 here. Go on decreasing by 2 unit. Now at numerator start with 3. Decrease by 2 unit. This is even one. So at the end multiply by pi by 2. So this equals to 3 pi by 16. So this equal to 3 pi by 16. Now what will be value of it? Same way 2, don't need to decrease further. Right here 1, stop here. This is even one. At the end multiply by pi by 2. So pi by 4. Now it is applicable when limit given 0 to pi by 2 and function is the type sin x or cos x. It is applicable for cos square x, cos 4x, cos 8x, cos 10x, cos cube x. Suppose we need to find value of 0 to pi by 2 cos 8x equals to, same way write 8, 6, 4, 2. Stop here. Now start with 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Go on decreasing by 2 unit. 5, 3. At the end you will get 1 by 2 when power is even. Now multiply by pi by 2. This is your answer. Now you can simplify it. 3, 2, 35, 4, 16, 32, 32 multiplied by 8, 256, 256, 35 pi upon 256. This is final answer. Now when power is odd, 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x dx equals to, same thing, 3, go on decreasing by 2 unit, 1, 2. Now when power is odd, you will get 2 by 3 at the end. Now don't need to multiply it by pi by 2. Your answer will be 2 by 3. When power is even, you will get 1 by 2. When power odd, at the end we will have 2 by 3. Suppose 0 to pi by 2 sine 7x dx equal to 7, go on decreasing by 2 unit, 5, 3, 1. At numerator we should put 6 first, then 4, 6 minus 2, 4, then 2. So we are getting 2 by 3. Now its simplified value 2, 3 to the 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16 upon 35. It is final answer. If both sine cos present, suppose 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x cos square x, what will be its value? Now first take sum of 3 and 2, power of sine and power of cos, add them. This is 5, write here 5, decrease 2 unit, 3, 1. Now for sine 3 minus 1, 2. Stop here, we can't decrease further as 2 minus 2, 0. So stop here. Now for this part 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer 2 by 15. Another one, 0 to pi by 2 sine 7x cos 5x. 7 plus 5, 12. So write 12 into 10 into 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Stop here. Now for sine part, what should I do? Decrease 1 unit. 7 minus 1, 6. Write here 6. Go on decreasing by 2 unit, 4, then 2. Stop here. We can't decrease further. If we decrease further, we will get 0. Now for this part, this is 5. So we should put 4. Then decrease by 2 unit, 2. So this is final answer. Now you can cancel 4, 2. Then 6, 6. 4 into 2, 8. So 1 upon 120. So our final answer 1 upon 120. Now when power of both sine and cos even, suppose sine 6x cos 4x. In this case, same procedure, but at the end we have to multiply the result by pi by 2. Now 6 plus 4, 10. Start with 10. 10 into, decrease by 2 unit, 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Now for sine part, write 6 minus 1, start with 5, then write 3, then 1. For cos part, start with 3, 4 minus 1, 3, then decrease by 2 unit, 1. As both even, so we have 1 by 2. Now at the end, you have to multiply it by pi by 2. Now 3, 2, 5, 10. So 3 pi upon 32, 64, 256, 512. This is final result. into 2, 16, 32, 128, 256, 512. Let us try another one. Suppose 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos square x. If we solve it in conventional way, it will take much time. We have to write it first 1 by 4, then write here 4, make it 2 sin x cos x whole square or sin square 2x. It will be laborious as well as time consuming. So to get prompt reply, use the technique 2 plus 2, 4, then write 2. Now 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, both even, multiply by pi by 2, multiply by pi by 2, pi by 16. This is final answer. Now what will be value of 0 to 100 pi sin square x? I mentioned earlier that this is applicable when limit 0 to pi by 2. Otherwise, we can't apply this technique. But we can reduce it into 0 to pi by 2. How? What is period of sin square x? Period of sin square x pi, but period of sin x 2 pi. Now period of sin square x 2 pi and period of sin square x pi. So write here 0 to pi. This is 100 into pi. So 100 limit 0 to pi sin square x. As we know, 0 to nt function of x dx equals to n 0 to t fx dx. T denotes period of the given function. Now period of sin square x pi, so we can write it like this. Again, sin square x being even one, this is even function. So we can write further like this, 2 into 100, 200, 0 to pi by 2. As sin square x even function, so this will be equal to, this will be reduced to 200, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Now we are in a position to apply the technique. By applying the technique, we can find its result easily. This is 2, so write 2. 2 minus 1, 1. At the end, you have to multiply by pi by 2. Why? This is even one. 4, 50. So your answer will be 50 pi. What will be value of 2 to 5 dx x minus 2 5 minus into 5 minus x, under root x minus 2 into 5 minus x. Its value pi. How? If a to b dx x minus a b minus x, integration a to b dx under root x minus a into b minus x pi when b greater than a. How will you prove it? Suppose x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Therefore limit will be, put x equal to a minus 1 minus cos square theta equal to b sin square theta. This a sin square theta equal to b sin square theta. If we take common, then sin theta will be 0, that means theta equal to 0. So lower limit 0, similarly upper limit will be pi by 2. So we can rewrite it like this, 0 to pi by 2. Now dx equal to 2a minus 2a sin theta cos theta. This is 2b sin theta cos theta. So b minus a 2 sin theta cos theta. So replace dx by b minus a 2 sin theta cos theta. Now x minus a equals to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta minus a equal to b sin square theta minus a sin square theta, or b minus a sin square theta. Similarly, b minus x also b minus a sin square theta, putting b minus a whole square sin square theta cos square theta, b minus a, this is x minus a equal to b minus a sin square theta. Now value of b minus x equals to b minus a cos square theta minus b sin square theta equals to b 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta minus a cos square theta equal to b minus a cos square theta. So this will be b minus a cos square theta. Therefore given integral reduces to 0 to pi by 2. Now this is b minus a sin theta cos theta, and this is also 2 into b minus a sin theta cos theta d theta. Now cancel sin theta cos theta, b minus a cancel, 2 integration of d theta 0 to pi by 2 equals to pi. Suppose 1 to 3 dx x minus 1 3 minus x. Now in this integral x more than a less than b, that is why b should be greater than a. This is upper limit, 3 more than 1, so its value will be pi by this theorem. So we can easily find value of this integral without putting much labor. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank for being with me. See you soon with the next video.